Okay. Hi guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us. I'm going to sneak this into my other video, but I'm also going to make a video of this frosting as well for my subscribers that are looking for a frosting recipe and they don't want to go through the whole cookies. Okay, so what I have in here is a half a teaspoon of vanilla and 2 cups of confectioner sugar. This is a 2-cup measure. If you don't have one, if you see them in the stores, grab them because a lot of recipes call for 2 cups and that way you don't have to do it twice. And then what I have here is a stick of the Crisco that you buy in the store. They come in these little packs. And I only need half of it, so I'm going to put that in. Let's watch the powdered sugar fly all over. Come on, get in there. That way I don't have to touch it. Put that right in the trash. And then, so it's a 1/4 cup of shortening, 2 cups of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we also need milk. So let's get this started. We're going to need 2.5 tablespoons of milk. Maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. It all depends because powdered sugar can be funny and it's hard to know exactly. You don't want to put too much, so always start small and then go bigger. And I got everything ready over here for my sprinkles, and I'm gonna make just the white frosting, and then make some of the colors. I got some sprinkles, and there's a little peek at some of the cookies I'm making. I keep all my cookie cutters in this recyclable ice cream tin, which works out great for me. This is even my son Mikey's when he was little, and I've had it over 30 years, well, around 30 years-ish. So I keep it in there for a memory. I don't really use it, but the little kids like to use it when they come over and they play with it. So I'm gonna get this started so the powdered sugar don't go all over, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so what I did was just got the shortening Crisco mixed in there, and my furnace just came on. But so we're going to take 2 tablespoons of this. So let's start with the half. And I already measured this out as 2 tablespoons. So, I mean 2.5. So I'm just going to put it in and leave a little. And just give it a mix. And this is what I use on my sugar cookies. I'm sorry, my furnace just came on. Let me get this stirred up. It's delicious. And plus, I wanted to say this is just a half a batch. So if you wanted to make like a whole batch, just double everything up. I'm making everything to order because I'm making some of these I have a new Etsy shop. Right now I just have Christmas cookies on there, but eventually I might put, you know, different just regular cookies on a regular basis or for each holiday. But right now I just started with Christmas cookies. And so what I'm going to do, I stirred this really well. And I'm just going to take them and put them in these little containers here and divide them up. Okay, and once again, get your sides all scraped down. Makes it easier to wash your bowl. And plus that way you're getting all the ingredients in. So I'm just going to take some. Whoops. And like I said, I'm just making a little. So we're going to have some white, some blue, some red, and some green. And I gotta scrape that in there with 2 hands, so I'll come back and show you when we do the colors. Fun, fun, fun. And I don't measure for this. I just put, you know, a bunch of drops. Stir it up, see what you get. That's green, blue. What's the matter, Justice? Justice wants a cookie, I think. Okay. Like I said, just a bunch of drops. And then I have the white here. And so let me get these all stirred up. See how pretty they are. Okay, these are all ready to go. And like I was saying, I just made a small batch, so this isn't, you know, a lot, but so we got just the plain white. And if you want red, you have to get the gel, and you know, it works better, but this is what we used always for years and years, especially growing up, till my mother started doing cake decorating they have a gel, and you use a toothpick and put it in there, and it makes it red. But this is the red we've always used for Christmas, so this is the Christmas red. But yeah, so there's my frosting recipe, and you can use this on any of your cutout cookies, and I'm gonna roll out my cutout cookies soon, and we'll be all ready to frost them. I left off the end of that sentence. And then I bought this. It's not really what I wanted to get at Walmart. I like to go to Sodders, but it has the colors I'm looking for. The red sugar, those little things, the green sugar, and my favorite are these things here. And then, of course, I have to buy these too because these are the traditional for the Italian cookies. But, yeah, so who wants to take a little peek inside my first order on Etsy? And I just got to put the sugar cookies in there, and that's all set to go. So I do have a little Etsy shop. I think I said that already, but go check it out. It's What's Mama Cooking For Us. And just type that in your search bar, and my cookies should come right up. Plus, I have a Facebook group and a Facebook page, What's Mama Cooking For Us. Just go on there, and you can see the cookies. Yeah. So, if you're new, welcome, and thanks for joining us, and I hope you subscribe for more. And to all the regulars, thank you guys so much for continuing to stay with me and to watch me. And I want to just say, everyone be blessed and have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas. If you're watching this more towards Christmas, but it's only the first week of December. But I'm getting orders, so I got to get these going. All right, guys, be blessed. Thank you.